Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Rossberry Productions. Today I have a Hyundai i20 and this is the 2021 mild hybrid version. In this video I'm going to show you where each of the fluids are, just in case you ever need to top them up. So down in the driver's footwell, just pull that lever there so we can come around to the front of the vehicle. Just above the Hyundai badge there's a lever, push that to the left. Opening up the bonnet fully, we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once the bonnet's safe and secure, just familiarise yourself with under the bonnet. So just over the right hand side we've got our battery if you ever need to replace that. There's our fuse box, here is our air box, mass airflow sensor, most of the injection system and the coil packs are actually under here. Down at the front there we've got our alternator, and then just over the left that's where we top up our washer fluid. This is the expansion tank for the coolant system on the car. Just make sure you never open that when the car is actually hot, and you'll see a minimum and maximum line on the side. There's our brake reservoir for our braking system, and then down at the front here there's the dipstick for the oil. And then actually to top up the oil we need to take this cover off, so it's just 3 clips. Just underneath there you can see the 3 clips. A little bit tricky to get back on, especially one-handed. And just on top of the engine there you can see our 3 coil packs. I've made a video showing you how to replace those. And then this is where you top up your oil. There we go. I hope you found this video helpful. One of the things that you may notice is there is no steering fluid reservoir, and that's because this car actually has electronic steering. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.